chance of showers in the afternoon. High current risk at Walton and Bay County beaches today. The surf zone forecast. General outlook. A high risk of recurrence is expected at Walton and Bay County beach.
Call 74-200 went off.
Situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and forecasters for the Florida Panhandle, Southeast Alabama, Southwest.
Why do you want spray? Yes, the 2-7 finally.
When there is a threat for existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed.
The 2-7 finally turned off by itself.
Thank you. And the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the Florida Panhandle, Southeast Alabama, Southwest, and South Central Georgia. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm and the emergency alert system for the entire county warning area serviced by the Tallahassee Weather Forecast Office. High recurrent risk at Walton and Bay County beaches today. The surf zone forecast. General outlook.
Okay, so just to show you guys proof that there are two 74-200s in the house, here's mine. It's a version 6. It's right here. See, look.
With a chance for
So it's on top. It's below the EAS 10. Now, if we go into this room,
tide information for Wednesday, April 14th.
we can see another one.
St. Mark's
This
River.
one's a version 4.
High 4:27 a.m. Low 9:51 a.m. High 3:45 p.m.
Ooga
Low
boogles.
10:40 p.m.
Yay.